What's up? Damn right I got knives here. Alright, so this is gonna be a fun one.
Okay, today we're going to make a really simple dish, and it's basically called bangers and mash.
Recently I was asked by Last Ranger 1965 to do a video. He nominated me for What's Your Banger? And I didn't know what that meant. I found out what that meant. He informed me and I watched some other videos and now I get it.
Bangers and mash. It's an absolute classic.
I switch up my EDC lineup, but yeah, the banger is the one that really you use the most. And that's a really hard thing for me, but it's really easy also. And I'm just gonna get right to it right here. My Spyderco Paramilitary 2. I love this thing. I did a titanium spacer in there, purple clip, titanium screws. This knife just feels really good. I use it all the time, carry it all the time. What do I want to say about this? You know, it's the Paramilitary 2. It's amazing. It's a great knife, super cutty, slicey. It's thin, just grippiness, everything about it. This knife is what turned me on heavily into knife collecting, and it's just gotten worse since then. So that is my number one banger right there. I also want to do a notable mention right here. This one is probably second place as far as knives that I just grab and use when I'm going to work or just going out and about. This is the Benchmade 940. Again, it's got a purple spine there. I like that look. But the functionality of this, the way you can open it and deploy it really easy, the access lock, I just really love this knife right here. And then the other one I want to just do a notable mention is because something that I did a review on recently, and it's become something that I just keep turning to every day, which is the Best Tech Hornet. And this has kind of become a new banger for me. But I would still say this is number one. I would carry that probably more often. But this is new, and I've been using it a lot. For cardboard, which I do a lot of cardboard box cutting and tear down. This one I kind of fear that I'm gonna chip the top. I'm a little bit more careful probably with this one. And this one I just got something that I could just really be tough on, and that's why I like this a lot. Okay, so the other part of this video that I wanted to talk about for me, for a daily banger, is I have a collection of Bali songs. I flip a bit, and this guy right here is something that I can take to work with me. I take it in my backpack and I goof around with it when I have some downtime at work, when I'm waiting for customers or just not doing something. It's also helpful. I can open drinks with it, and it just can take a beating and keeps going. It's all marked up, but this thing, it flips good. I really like this, the BB Barfly Pro V2, and they send it to you with whatever colors you pick. And yeah, so that's the other one. But when I'm home, and since I live in California, I can't carry a real bladed one, is my BRS. And I have the tip taped up because I've been flipping a bunch, and I keep on occasion stabbing myself, so I'm getting sick of that. For all my Bali songs that I have right here, this thing flips so good and just feels right. It's grippy. It does the things you want it to do. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna move these over here. I'm gonna say that these two right here, because it's a different category. I mean, you could talk fixed blades or something if you wanted to too. Banger is this guy right here. This is also something at home that I reach to the most. I flip this thing every single day practicing.
Got the beautiful mashed potato, the bangers, you'll love it.
Last Ranger and I have been having some fun conversations back and forth and sharing some things, and it's just really cool to share things with strangers and kind of get to know people in this different, weird virtual way, especially at this time in our world. So I appreciate that very much. I'm supposed to nominate some people that I think would have fun doing this video too, and I'm curious about what their banger is. I'm going to say JM Knives is one. I'm going to put all their links here. JM Knives, he commented on my Svord knives, and I went and watched a bunch of videos on his channel, and he has some really cool stuff, how to build certain knives, instructional things, and just very different. Nice guy. And then TomahawkDC is another guy that I would like to see what his daily banger is. Had a few comments on my videos. Seems like he has fun, so I'm going to nominate him. Most of these are all people that commented on my channel, and so I've gone back through my comments and kind of found some people. And then Last Ranger turned me on to a channel, the EDC Den, and his videos are cool too. It seems like a nice guy. And so I want to nominate him as well. I want to see what his banger is. So JM Knives, TomahawkDC, and the EDC Den. Those are my 3 picks. But I want to also step in here and give some notable mentions that I see they don't do a lot of knife videos, but if they wanted to, that would be cool. So Solitarium, and then Spirt in the Room. He's been commenting a bunch on me and messaging with me and showing me pictures of his knives, but he has no videos of his knives that I can see. He should make a video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Here they are. Those are my bangers. These are the ones right here. All right, you guys, peace. Damn right I got knives. Signing out.
Continue, show me all your bangers and mash.